Oh God, why, bro? Why are they walking like that? What the Reapers? What's good? It's your boy Laser. Happy Saturday, guys. You guys already know the vibes. We are back with some more scary reaction videos. We're going to be reacting to scary doorbell camera recordings. If you guys enjoy this scary content and you guys want more scary videos like this, you guys hit that like button, you subscribe, and you turn notifications on, guys. It's that simple. Let's get straight into this video.
The origin of this video is
so
unknown,
we got this
but here
doorbell
we see
thing.
a woman returning home with her child, and as soon as they go inside and lock the door, a strange man appears and tries to open the door.
Dude, this is why you always check your surroundings and
Fortunately, the woman locked
lock
the
your
door as
door
soon as they
you
were
get home.
inside the house, preventing the man from entering.
He just looks
He
creepy,
patiently
bro.
waited while
Look at
paying
his
attention
eyes.
to the interrogator. If she had left the door unlocked, who knows what could have occurred?
Bruh, he's got
Who
those...
was the man, and what was his intention? What do you think?
He's got those psychopath eyes, bro.
This video was posted on YouTube by a
he's got
man
flung
named
back.
Lawan Mendez in May of 2020. Lawan and his team were investigating an abandoned hospital where
an
they got
abandoned
to feel
hospital?
like the medical personnel were still there and roaming the corridors in spirit form. During their investigation, they took a turn down a hallway where they thought they saw something skulking in the shadows, but before they could get a good look,
Huh? What did
the
they
figure
see?
vanished. They then go and carry on with their research, which is when they come across
no, thanks.
another creepy figure. This encounter
Bruh.
with the mysterious figure really freaks them out as they can be
Why
seen
does every
running
figure
away.
look the
as
same,
they
dude?
accelerate and sprint away. One of the crew members
Oh,
unexpectedly
God,
falls to the ground, but
no.
later the crew did succeed in leaving the hospital alive. But it almost appears as though the crew member was clotheslined by something invisible. What do you think? Is the hospital inhabited by a supernatural force, or is something else inside?
Number 18.
This video was posted on YouTube by a
Alright, so
woman
we have
named
this car right
Alejandra. Here, we see in this video, late one night, Alejandra slept as a man walked up her driveway and tried to open her locked truck.
Oh my God, why? He just ran away too?
His motion triggered her Ring app, and from her Ring app, she took some action. She could quickly scare him away with the swipe of her finger. It was such a satisfaction to see this person running away because he had been scared off by the siren.
What did
do
he
you
think was gonna happen though? Opening a car that was just there?
The origin of this
Like,
video is
what?
unknown, but in the video, at
Oh,
3:30
she's definitely
a.m.,
on
this woman
something.
was caught on a doorbell camera. She has a shopping cart with her belongings and appears to be homeless. Anything she can
You had the
find,
wrong
she
grocery
takes
store.
at night off of people's porches. Nothing abnormal initially occurs, but things start to turn peculiar.
This already doesn't look normal. Why is she giving those? Oh my God, dude. What did she gain from doing this, bro? Like, this is just disturbing as hell. And imagine how much germs she doesn't even look clean. That is so creepy, dude.
She began to repeatedly peep
So you
through
me
the
cringe.
doorbell, giving off a slightly suspicious vibe. What do you think? Who was the woman, and what was her intention?
Making me
Number
cringe.
16.
The origin of this video is unknown, but it took place in Yosemite National Park in California, United States. A bunch of weird creatures were recorded by a security camera on March 28, 2011 at 2:17 in the morning. The individual who made the video was strongly drawn to it and was curious as to what it might be. His neighbors, whose cameras captured it, sent him this video. He then proceeded to the location where his friend had captured the creatures and laid some objects on the trail to roughly gauge the size. In order to ensure that his pals weren't just playing a practical joke on him, he even altered the tape using various filters to see if the creatures had any strings attached.
Oh,
the
God.
creatures are not particularly tall in comparison to the stroller.
Oh God, why, bro? Why are they walking like that? What
What
the
do you
hell?
think? Is this real evidence of paranormal activity caught on camera, or just a hoax?
That is
Number
so weird.
15.
This video was uploaded on YouTube by a woman named Dr. Pet Woman. This video depicts a stormy nighttime scene when people
Oh,
are
the
sleeping
power.
on the
I just saw
street,
something get
and it's
electrocuted.
storming and thundering outside. Suddenly,
Someone's
however,
cables just got
a
destroyed.
large amount of lightning strikes the house directly in front of the camera and strikes the pole rather than the house. Fortunately, no one was injured and the lightning simply struck the tall pole, as opposed to another person.
Number 14.
The origin of this video is unknown, but here we see a man licking a doorbell, which was
That's
quite weird
nasty,
and
bro.
scary at the same time.
What's he holding, though? I feel like this man is just... Oh, nah, he definitely wants some smoke, dude. What's he holding, though? He's trying to show something. What's he pointing at? Is that like a newspaper? What is that? Oh, this man's on something, dude. Creepy ass motherfucker. Creepy as hell, bro.
Numerous individuals have been detained for licking the doorbell as though it were a trend. It was later revealed to be the homeless son of a neighbor who was licking the doorbell. Once the police were summoned, the person was quickly taken into custody. So what do you think?
Number 13.
The origin of this video is unknown. Here, a woman can be seen sobbing as though she was terrified and in need of assistance immediately. The woman's emotions don't appear to be false. Before eventually leaving that home, the woman remained on the porch for almost 15 minutes. After seeing the security camera footage, they dialed the non-emergency dispatch number.
Oh no. Why is she crying? What up? What? Someone chasing her? Yo, what if she actually needs help? Hold up. She's either on something, dude, or she needs help. Like, she's trying to run away from someone.
Oh my god.
Hold up. What is going on right now? Bro, what?
A short while later, police showed up at the spot and looked over the video. The authorities were able to find the woman, but no arrests were made and no charges were brought.
Why was
Isn't
she...
this scary though? What do you think?
Number 12.
What she need
The
help
origin
for?
of this
What?
video is unknown. This video shows the crazy next door neighbor yelling and frantically ringing the doorbell as she begs for the
This
door to be
Karen
opened.
wants smoke.
She does not stop pressing the doorbell repeatedly. The woman inside the house inquired to if anything had occurred, but she was acting insane, although there may be a better approach to resolve the situation.
She finna break that doorbell.
Oh, open your door.
She's acting like it's her house to you.
What do you want? I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Huh?
Why? What happened? Answer the door.
See, like, whenever they don't give a reason, like, that's just
What
the
happened?
biggest red
Answer
flag.
the door.
Like, she's just getting straight to the point. Like, if she actually gave a
No, I
reason,
don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
it could be more convincing, but still, though. Regardless, I wouldn't allow any stranger in my house.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Oh, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem pretty
door.
angry.
That person is walking past, like, they don't even know.
I really don't want to open the door. And let
See,
you
like-
calm down.
In this situation, I don't even, like...
Open the door.
Dude.
I'm sorry. Who
are you?
Can you just
What?
tell me if
She
something
would
went
100%?
wrong or
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is
if
something wrong.
made you angry.
She's 100% like.
Who are you?
Oh,
Well,
she
can
is
you tell
definitely.
me what?
Dude, she definitely has either schizophrenia
You're the mother of this house?
or
I'm the mother of this house.
she has some
Great.
sort of
Well,
thing
we've
going
never
on
met,
mentally.
so let's meet.
What is she saying, bro? What?
If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up.
Huh?
My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house.
What is she saying, bro? What?
Keep your cat. It's your
Oh, there's
cat.
the cat
I've already
right there.
met your husband about it.
Dude, I would not keep the cat near that lady. Like,
It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside.
she even. I can't
Keep
tell.
your
She's
cat inside.
She's talking to herself right now. What the hell?
She stated that her neighbor's cat has been in her yard and inside her house and that she wants it to stop immediately. She claims to not even own a pet. Do you think she's lying? What do you guys think of this one?
Dude, she
Number
looks crazy.
11.
The origin of this video is unknown. Here, we witness a distressed woman pleading for assistance while banging on an arbitrary home door. It was evident that she was fleeing from the man as he suddenly appears sprinting at her.
Stop, please, no. No,
Oh,
no, please.
In the beginning,
Oh my
it was
God.
believed to be a possible kidnapping. Therefore, the homeowners considered it strange and promptly reported the incident to the police when it occurred.
Oh my god.
A few hours later, after the police released a video of the incident to seek for the
Dude,
public's assistance,
That's scary.
a call from a member of the public helped identify
Was she alright
people.
though?
The woman from the incident has been found
Oh.
and is well in the video.
Oh, thank.
And the male in the video has been recognized as her boyfriend. She
Oh, so
didn't
some
file a
psychopath,
police
huh?
report and said that this was all just a misunderstanding. But why was she running away from her boyfriend? What do you think?
Ooh,
Number 10.
abusive
The origin of
people
this
out there,
video is
bro.
unknown. But here we see a
Crazy
man
ass
can be
boyfriends.
seen approaching the house from the other side of the street. The door was fortunately locked as he then attempted to open it.
We got this person walking down right now. Approaching the house. Can't even see the person's face, really. The camera.
He
makes
initially
it-
appeared to be an elderly man,
Oh.
but he was actually hiding behind a mask. When he stares directly into the camera and begins to prod it,
the first person to actually wear
he
a mask.
realizes he's being videotaped. After taking a quick glance out the window, he quickly makes the decision to depart. As he walks away,
He's a
he
bot.
waves to the camera as if he's aware that he's being recorded.
He's like, I'm out of here. Peace.
The homeowner walks outside shortly after he left with his golf club, but the masked man had already fled. What do you think? Who was the man? And what was his intention?
Number 9.
This video was posted on YouTube in the channel named Really Haunted. In the video, one of the kitchen wardrobes can be heard making some rather loud noises.
Oh, so the kitchen stuff was like moving? Or was it just making noises? Let's see. We got some paranormal stuff. Oh! We got some paranormal stuff going on here. It's just going non-stop. Oh my god. My ears, bro. Oh my god, that ghost is cooking up some food.
Nothing
He's
appeared
not getting
odd
his way
until
with
we
it.
observed the cups being hurled and smashed in the air. The man even stated at the beginning of the film that he and his family experience this on a daily basis. So what do you think? Is the house inhabited by a supernatural force? Or is something else inside?
Number 8.
The origin of this video is unknown. Here, we see in this video, at around 8:45 p.m., an individual knocks and then stands at the door for 15 seconds.
Alright, so this person is just standing there.
He waited for the homeowner to answer the call, and afterwards, we saw him wiping his fingerprints off with his sleeve. Later
Why?
on,
What?
he wears a permanent smiling mask and looks directly into the camera, fully aware that he's being filmed. What do you think? Who was this man?
Dude, honestly,
and
it's like,
what was his intention?
I don't think there's one doorbell that doesn't have a camera nowadays.
The origin of this
seems.
video is unknown. In this spooky video, a creepy man drives a car
Ooh,
and
they're
parks
banging
it
the door?
in front of a house
They're
before
kicking that shit,
storming at the
dude.
door and kicking it as hard as he can.
They got ops
Then
or
another
something?
man joins him in trying to open the door, but surprisingly, it stays closed. The two men eventually give up and leave, but given that the man had a
Oh my
Lamborghini
God.
parked in the owner's driveway, it begs the question
Kick
of
the
were they
door,
trying to
nonstop.
rob that rich man's house? What do you think?
Number 6.
The origin of this video is unknown, but here we see a doorbell camera caught this woman walking up to the door and ringing the doorbell at 4 a.m. It was recorded in the winter.
What's she got wearing around her? Is that like blankets? What is that? Or she just got a thick jacket? I can't...
And as she makes her way slowly to the door, she appears drained and frightened. She rings the doorbell and runs away, vanishing into the night. So what do you think? If she needed help, wouldn't she have waited till the door answered the call?
Number 5.
The origin of this video is unknown. In this video, a woman can be seen coming home from work, and as soon as she walks inside the house, a man rushes in behind her. Then a second man appears and enters the house with him.
Oh, they got
the
it
two
in,
men are
dude?
both armed.
She didn't close the door fast enough. Oh my God.
And start demanding the woman's car keys. And when she gave them to them, they stole her vehicle and escaped.
See,
The
guys,
individual
if you're ever being robbed, always just give the robber what they want, because your life is more important than like your valuables, if that makes sense.
in the car
Like, just
were found
a
immediately
FYI.
after the
That could
police
literally-
were
like, it'll
informed,
literally save your
but
life.
because of the severe
That's a life
weather,
tip.
they could not be apprehended, despite the fact that both individuals
Your
were
valuables are never
apprehended
more
2
important
days
than your
after
own
the
life.
event. The stolen car has yet to be located. They were accused of armed robbery, car theft, and breaking and
Oh,
entering.
they never got...
What do you
That's
think?
crazy.
Number 4.
The origin of this video is unknown.
Oh, this
In the
man
video,
just looks
a man
like
approaches
a
a
gangster,
house,
dude.
but it's unclear whether he's simply trying to scare the residents or whether he's utilizing the doorbell camera as a retinal
got-
scanner. He kept looking while he waited for the homeowner to emerge.
Front door yet?
He got that beer belly with those tattoos.
I'm coming
I
to
see
the
you,
front
boy.
door.
He continues to use his keys to try to open the door despite knowing that there's people inside and that they have indicated that they will call the police.
This
What do
guy,
you think?
This guy can't be... He's drunk, bro. He's definitely drunk. He's drunk.
Who was this man and what was his intention?
Number 3.
The origin of this video is unknown. In the video, a mother and a child were seen walking down the street when a white sedan seemed to be following them. The car can be seen following their pace, and just as the mother realizes that they were being followed, the duo quickly halt and hide behind a car.
Oh, they
Later,
hid.
the doorbell camera detects no movement, and it's not known what happened after. What do you think? Why was the car following them?
Number 2.
The origin of this video is unknown. In the video, 4 men attempt to break into a house. 3 of them approach the front door, and the 4th man, the getaway driver, waits in the car. The homeowner, however, retaliated, stopping the raid. 2 men forced their way inside as soon as the homeowner opens the door, and a 3rd man remained outside while drawing a firearm from his jeans. The homeowner fires a gun at the 3 men as the 3rd enters the house and they all flee. When he phones the police, they claim that they quickly ran back to their car
Oh, they
where the
just-
getaway driver was waiting.
Gotta
this
get in that
case,
car before
police have
everything
made
goes
2
wrong, dude.
arrests. What do you think?
Number 1.
Number
The
1.
origin of this video is unknown. The homeowner in this video receives a doorbell camera notification and
He's got
observes
a
a
firearm,
man holding a
dude.
gun. The
What is that, an
individuals in
AR?
the
What is
video
that?
escaped from the residence when the lights turned on close by. However, 20 minutes away from the residence, police were looking for 2 individuals who had broken into one property and taken a car from another just over an hour earlier. a crime occurred. It was said that one of the suspects was observed with a rifle. Isn't it scary? What do you think? And that's gonna wrap it up.
Well, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Those doorbell videos, oh man, oh man. It's crazy that this can happen to literally any of us. Be safe out there. Always make sure to keep your door locked. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, you guys already know what to do. But I will see you in the next one. Peace!